Hello friends, this is Mrs. J in the library, and this is just a quick video to show you how to share an assignment such as a digital read aloud like this one with your students either in Google Classroom or through Seesaw or Class Dojo in a way that students will be able to complete the activities. So first of all, when you get your copy of the product, you want to make sure that you make any changes that you like to this original document. So this is sort of like your master copy. So if you need to make any changes, such as on the contact slide, you would want to highlight this and add a link to your email address. So that would start with mail to, and then you would type in your email address exactly as it would appear. You might want to change your office hours and also add a link to your school library website, for instance. You could also maybe make changes to, depending on what databases you have. I've included databases for PebbleGo and BrainPop Junior, but if you have any one of these databases, you may want to uh, change those out on the activity slides. So those are just some examples of some edits you might like to make. However, when your assignment is ready for students to use, then you want to go to the share document or button. And so in here, there's two settings you need to go to. The first is the share with people settings on the gear icon. And here you would need to uncheck both of these boxes. So this just assures that no other co-teachers in your Google Classroom or anyone else who's part of your Google Classroom or your Seesaw or Dojo can use this. And then by unchecking this second checkbox, you're making sure that students can't make a copy or download or print this assignment. And so that's just a way to protect copyright and to respect my intellectual property. And then the second setting you would change is under the Get Link section. You click on Change and make sure this says anyone with the link. It's okay if this says anyone within your district with the link. In fact, that's even better. But if all you have available to you is anyone with a link, that is fine. And make sure that this is selected with Viewer. And then you press the Done button. So now when I go to the share button, I can just copy this link. That is the link that you would want to post in Google Classroom. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to create a Google Classroom assignment or how to use an activity or assignment like this in other platforms like Seesaw or Class Dojo.